Okay, now see, let us understand the concept, and I'm sure. So the question is whether the credit card charges or the other finance charges are part of the finance cost or not. So remember,
Correct.
as far as the other finance charges are concerned, they are definitely part of your finance cost, and so that stands clear and answered. The question is with regard to the whether the, and this is a very interesting question. The question is with regard to the credit charges, whether the credit charges are part of the finance cost or they are not part of the finance cost. So basically, you will have to look at as to whose credit card are we talking about. So are we talking about credit card of a company? And uh, so if we are talking about the credit card of a company, you will have to again check as to are you paying interest on that credit card because you have defaulted in making the payment on time. So if that is what it is, remember, it is a very bad sign, and this is not acceptable as a good corporate governance, and it also shows that the company is passing through in a very bad phase, and company needs to do something about it. The credit card charges can be of two type. Number one is the annual membership fees that you have to pay. Now that obviously is not the finance charge. The interest that you have to pay because of the delay, right? Remember that interest is, in my view, is not interest. It is a penalty. You are paying that interest not because you have taken a loan. You are paying that interest because you have made a mistake. You have defaulted in making the payment on time, and therefore, in my view and in my understanding, both of them will not be part of your finance cost. Finance cost is very simple. When you have taken a loan for the purpose of business, and on that loan you are paying any interest, that is going to be your finance cost, and not the credit charges that you pay because you have not paid the credit bill on time. That will not be part of the finance cost, and as a matter of fact, remember, that amount will also not be deductible under the income tax act, because that is what you are paying because you have made a mistake in not honoring the credit card bill on time. I hope that answers his question.